Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the Lunavia Toenail Fungus Pen, the little twist brush that claims to clear up nasty nail fungus fast. Miracle cure or marketing hype? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, everything here comes from online research and my own experience-driven options. I'm not a medical professional. Talk to your doctor before starting any treatment. Lunavia's pen packs 25% andosolenic acid plus a blend of tea tree, clove bud, jojoba, and lavender oils applied with a no-mess brush twice a day. The brand pushes extra strength, made in USA, and shows off an Amazon's Choice badge. Reality check on the ratings. 4.3 star out of 5 from 230 global ratings on Amazon. Solid but not flawless. Happy campers? One verified buyer said results appeared within 3 days, calling it the first thing that beat prescription pills. Skeptics? Another user followed directions for 3 weeks, saw a nail get worse, and headed back to the dermatologist. 1 star review. The common praise are it dries quickly, easy to target just a nail, gentler than RL meds. Common gripes, it takes longer than the marketing suggests, doesn't help if fungus is deep or nail grow is slow. Is Lonavia a scam? Well, no, it's a legit over-the-counter antifungal with an above-average rating and plenty of real success stories. Will it work for everyone? Also, no. Nail fungus is stubborn and can need months of consistent use, sometimes prescription help. If you want a low-risk first step before pricey doctor treatments, the pen is worth a shot. Just keep expectations realistic and use a payment method that supports easy returns. Try the Lunavia or another antifungal pen. Drop your results in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for more straight up reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.